Hey guys, if you are looking for the ultimate portable grill table to take your outdoor cooking to the next level, this outdoor grill table is a must have for backyard barbecues, camping adventures, and patio cookouts. This grill stand is compatible with grills, pizza ovens, tabletop grills, camping stoves, and more. No matter what you are cooking, this stand gives you the perfect sturdy surface to work with. It takes over 30 to 45 minutes to assemble it. With an innovative design, it features a spacious sub table for extra prep space and style collapsible spice rack, a detachable paper towel holder, a magnetic toolbar, and a 4 tool hooks, keeping everything within reach so you can focus on grilling like a pro. This movable grill cart comes with 360-degree wheels, allowing you to glide it effortlessly to your preferred cooking spot. Once you are set up, simply lock the wheels in place for a stable and secure grilling station. Durability is key, and this sturdy folding grill table can handle up to 300 pounds, supporting all your grilling tools, ingredients, and even indicate dishes without a worry. Whether you are flipping burgers, grilling steaks, and making wood fired pizza, this stand has your back. And when it's time to pack up, no problem. The 20-second quick fold feature makes it collapse as compact as suitcase, so you can store it in your car, garage and patio without taking up much space. Perfect for on-the-go grilling and easy to store. Yes, I highly recommend this grilling stand for your barbecue.